Hello there, this is Ujjwal, and as you can see from the intro of this video, this is going to be a haul video, and all this gorgeous stuff that you see is from my DT kit, design team kit for Dress My Craft. They are a very generous bunch of people, and if you're following me on social media, you know that I was selected to be their brand ambassador, and I'm just beyond excited because I've been using their products for a little while, and I know that their products are very high quality, and you'll find all sorts of things in their product categories. So I can't wait to get started. So I just thought I'd show you what all I got and how beautiful everything is. So the first thing I got is this magical unicorn collection kit. So these paper pack come individually as well, so you can buy the motif sheets, the 6x6 paper pad, as well as the 12x12 paper pack separately. But I decided to go for the collection kit because I'll be making lots of projects, and the collection kits are a bit good for your pocket, so there are some discounts when you buy collection kits. So as you can see, this is really cute, just totally my style, cute, colorful, bright and beautiful. And I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of the pages so you can see how the pages look like from inside. The paper is really thick and very high quality. I absolutely love that it is binded, so I won't be losing my papers here and there. And yeah, and then the smaller version is the 6x6, and then you get this coordinating motif sheet. There are two sheets here, so you can fuzzy cut all these elements and then use them as embellishments. So it's a great deal. You have everything coordinating, and I already have a project in mind, so let's see how that goes. The second thing that I got is this their new collection called Pink Smoke, and oh my god, this is just super gorgeous. Again, I got the collection kit, so I have the 6x6, the 12x12, and the motif sheets. And this collection is so soft. All that script, the flowers, the colors, everything is just on point. I was flipping through it, and page after page I was just admiring it because there are just so many gorgeous pattern papers in this one. Great for layouts, great for shabby chic kind of projects. And again, I got this because I already have a project idea in mind, and let's see how that goes. So you can see a simple flip through here. Lot of script elements, lot of vintage vibes, and it's just so pretty in person. You got to see it to believe it. It's just absolutely stunning. And again, there are motif sheets, and this one also has two sheets in a pack, so you get you have all these little elements that you can use as embellishments, and then there are sentiments as well. Next, I got their Floral Oriental collection. This is their specialty paper for flower making, and yeah, I want to go back to my flower making. It's been a while since I made my own flowers. Next, moving on to the tools. Again, guys, everything is so thought out. I absolutely love this. This is their scoreboard. Comes with a bone folder and this triangular tool to make the envelopes. All the instructions are mentioned, and the tools are really sturdy. Up till now, I have used only my Martha Stewart scoreboard, but this one looks even better, if I may say so, and has the grid on the side as well. And yeah, just beautiful stuff. So next, I got this trimmer. Now, I've been using my Gelatin trimmer for the longest time. That's the only trimmer I've ever bought in my entire life. So I'm really excited to see this one. And here, just wanted to show you that the packaging has all the instructions. Everything is really well thought out. And I like to keep my tools in their original packaging. I just find it better that way. So it's good that you can reference back, and if you're stuck with something, you can just reference back and see how it works. So this one has an extendable arm. It goes up to 17 inches, which is really great. So you can use like big papers here. Even A3 size would fit in. So that's then that it has two blades. So I think one is a score blade and one is a trimmer. Again, I'll have to use it to see how it works because I haven't used a trimmer like this before. The blade replacements are available on the website. Next is this non-stick craft mat. Now again, I have been using a few different craft mats in the past, but this one is their thick variety. So I got the thick one, and it really is great, very sturdy, good quality. And I have to say I'm really amazed by the quality of products. So all the instructions, all the details of the mat is on the packaging. Again, it's 15 inches by 18 inches, non-stick quality, easy to clean, and just great. Another tool I'm very excited about is this dye cleaning tool. This is called Ultimate Dye Cleaning, and I haven't had anything like this in my stash. So again, new tools, all the more exciting. So this one is also, this one has like um, two little slots, one for piercing. When you click the button, the piercing one comes out, and the other one is to pull the paper off the die, and then you can just clean your dies. Hated how that paper gets stuck and you have to like poke individually, but this will, I'm sure, make my job easier. So again, a great new tool that I'm very excited about. The next tool that I got is this bone folder. Now again, I have been using one of their bone folders already, so I know that they are great quality, and I got this pencil one. I thought this was really unique and would be a little ergonomic to hold in the fingers and just do the scoring. So again, look at the packaging. It comes in a Ziploc, so you are not going to lose it. I often misplace mine, it gets stuck with the supplies and everywhere. Next thing is the punches, and they have a beautiful range of punches on the website. So I got two. I got this banner punch and the corner punch. These are the two things that I use a lot in my projects. So again, this banner punch is really unique. It has 3 slots, so you can cut 3 different sizes of banners, and I had to open it and show it to you. It's really sturdy, very beautiful. The finish is great. Just absolutely gorgeous. So next thing that I got is the stencil. Again, they have a great range of mixed media stencil, and I got this butterfly one. It was just attractive, and I don't know what I'm going to create, but I'm going to use it definitely. Next thing are these dies. So again, first of all, look at that color. They're pink in color, so you can easily differentiate them with your other dies. I got that cute couple in the heart, then this classic doily. Then I have these 2 little foliage leaves, or yeah, you can call them foliage dies, I guess. And I'm going to list down all the names in the description box below, along with the links to where you can buy them from, and you can check out the description box below. So this is the tag die. It's called Love Tag Die 2, I think, and I thought it would be great for some love cards. And then there are flower making dies. So they have a huge range of different flower making dies. I got this one with 4 petals. It has 5 different sizes of flowers, and I think it'll be very versatile for making different types of flowers and shaping them in different ways. Next, I rated their fabric category. So next one is this fabric transfer. Again, my love for vintage and script. So I got this postcard one. I'm not sure of the exact name. I'm going to list it down in the description box below. So you get this reference paper where you can see the design, and then this is the actual transfer sheet with the backing paper on which you need to iron and do it. So I have project plan with these, so I'm going to share that with you pretty soon. The fabric part, I got this big pouch. These are cotton, and again, pretty thick and heavy, and the size is great too. It'll hold a ton of stuff. And yeah, and then another thing I got is this cushion. Again, this is cotton, very well made. I got the black one. They have, I think they have denim and ivory as well. So I got this black one, and really good quality ones. So next is this the fashion accessory category. So I got these 2 brooches. The brooches, I have some ideas again, so I decided what I wanted and then I got it. And then this is the satin ribbon twine. So this is something really unique. It's like a satin ribbon finish, but in the shape or in the size of a twine. So again, I've used this before in their white or ivory color, and I know that it's really beautiful. So I got a few colors, and then from the floral accessory range, I got a few pollens. I got the wire pollens. Some are these the big ones. So I got the white ones so I can color coordinate them whenever I want, like ink them or glitter them. And I also got the self-adhesive floral tape. Next up are the sequences and sparkles. So I got some beads, the flower making beads, the mini micro beads here. They are really gorgeous, have a very beautiful shine to them, and a mixed colors, and then a bunch of sequences. Again, I'm going to list down all the names in the description box below so you can check that out. And yeah, blue, I think this is Sea Breeze, and then yellow sunshine, and then there is the copper and gold mix, and this one I think is the fairy sequence, and then I have this glitter as well. This is their microfine glitter, and then I got some water droplets and some more sequences. So I think sequences are, you can see it matches perfect with this pink smoke one. So yeah, that was the whole DT kit, and I can see it's everything is just gorgeous, and I can't wait to get started with my projects. So thank you so much again for dropping by today, and have a great day. And if you like my videos and if you want to see future videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share and like the video, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now and have a fabulous day.